How to fix no sound after Windows 11 update. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your after facing no sound problem after updating your Windows 11. So first of all, you need to go to the Windows search bar and search for services, and here you can see the option services system, and you just have to simply click on here. Let's just expand it and scroll down and look for the Windows audio settings, and here it is. And you just have to simply double click or right click on it, and after that you have to select the startup type to automatic and make sure the service status is running. And after that you just have to simply click on here apply and OK, and again click right click on the Windows audio and just click on the restart, and you just have to close the menu and just simply click on here and click on the audio settings. From here, more volume settings, and then you just have to simply click on the output speaker you want to select, and let's just select it, and you have to make sure the volume is full and everything is perfect and all, and then you can check for if your audio is okay or not. And I hope your audio no sound problem will be fixed now. So that's it for this video guys, see you on the next one.